Yes. 1 in 10 billion, I think. At least 1 in a billion, though. There is a mob spawner in a mine shaft in a lush cave. How is this possible? Hello, creeper. The mine shaft is huge, too. I don't even know how I got here. The terracotta ruins did not do me dirty, bro. I thought I was seeing things, but oh my god, it's a mob spawner. Just finding a mob spawner is like 1 in a million. Most Minecraft players will never find a mob spawner unless they're looking for it.
The experience, Jane Jones.
There is no way. Oh my god. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? It's not. I think I found a village house that's cut in half. It's not that rare, but it's funny.
Are you planning on eating today?
I am.
Just check.
It's just, this is actually crazy.
Sounds pretty cool. Pretty incredible.
I don't know how rare this is, but I know it's at least over 1 in a million. Oh my god, there's deep slate diamonds. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Oh, there's more? This thing goes into a ravine.
Yes. A ravine.
Damn.
A ravine.
That's like 1 million. At least.